With dreams of adventure swirling in my mind, I stood before the towering mountains, ready to conquer the unknown. Each step felt like a test of courage as I ventured onto the precarious ice, my heart racing with every crack beneath my paws. I stood my ground, heart pounding, as the snow wolf snarled at me from the rocky outcrop. This was my moment to show true bravery. Finally, I found refuge in a cave, lighting a small fire to warm my weary body and sipping hot tea to soothe my spirit. As I stumbled upon the ancient ice bridge, a sense of hope surged within me, guiding me towards the next step in my journey. The snowstorm raged around me, but I pulled my coat tighter, reminding myself that courage was my greatest ally. In the midst of the snowy chaos, I found an unexpected friend, a gentle yeti who offered me guidance and warmth. With renewed strength, I gripped the climbing rope tightly, every step taking me closer to my dreams. I marveled at the beauty of the frozen waterfall, each crystalline structure reflecting the moonlight like a dream. Finally, I reached the summit, the golden hues of sunrise illuminating the world before me, a testament to my journey. With pride swelling in my heart, I planted the flag of my journey, marking this moment as a tribute to every challenge I faced. As I returned home, the cheers of my friends filled the air, and my heart swelled with joy. I was not just a cat, I was a brave explorer,